Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to add icon in Figma. First, click here. Go to Plugins. Type icon. We will use these two here to add icon. Let's use this icons 8. We can search and choose what icon type we need, like arcade or 3D icons. Just click to choose. Let's try Iconify. Same with icons 8, you can search and choose what icon type you need, and just click the icon you want to use. And that is simply how to add icon in Figma. Thanks for watching! For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!